So you're ready to start investing. You downloaded an investment app, installed it, opened an account with them and made your first deposit. But then you get stuck as you realize you have never done this before and have no idea what companies you should look at first. Well, stick with me till the end, guys. Maybe I can give you some ideas about a few solid companies. As the title of the video suggests, this will be part 1 in which I will go over a few dividend paying companies from the first 5 sectors of the economy, with part 2 coming out next week with the remaining 6 sectors of the economy. This video is to help you guys build a watch list of solid companies for a portfolio, and I feel like the majority of these companies deserve to be on everyone's watch list, and you should definitely take a closer look at them to see if they're the right company for your portfolio. Hello everyone, my name is Andrei and this is my channel Exploring the Financial Jungle, in which I try to shed some light and clarity on subjects like investing, stock market, individual stocks and general personal finances, to try and help each and everyone that is thinking about investing but are either too afraid or they just don't know how, where to start. Let's start out with the energy sector. And the biggest players in this industry are Chevron, Royal Dutch Shell and ExxonMobil. Even though I can see the stock price of these companies going up and the demand for oil increases as the lockdown ends and the economy reopens, I would definitely stay away from the oil industry for the long run. I definitely feel like renewable energy is the way of the future, with companies like Brookfield Renewable Partners, NextEra Energy and iShares Global Clean Energy ETF being my top picks for the clean energy sector. Materials will be the second sector on our list, with companies like BHP Group, Rio Tinto, Barrick Gold, Polymetal International, Cameco and many other companies, all being part of this sector. Now, the companies in this sector extract minerals like iron, zinc, copper, silver, gold, platinum, uranium, and they can be extremely volatile as prices for all these metals tend to fluctuate quite a lot, so the sector is quite a volatile one. I would advise to be extra careful when looking to invest in this sector and do a proper research on a particular company before you look at investing, look at different trends in the economies, as it can be quite difficult sector to invest in. Third on the list today is the industrial sector, with companies like 3M, Caterpillar, Emerson Electric, Cummins, ABB and a few others. All these companies tend to be old, boring industrial titans that usually pay out a nice dividend. They are quite essential to the world's economy as they produce tools, equipment, machinery, parts for that machinery, chemicals and a lot of other products. They employ hundreds of thousands of people as well. And if you're looking to invest in this sector, you should not expect the stock price to double in the short term, but they do pay out a reliable dividend and they can provide stability to your portfolio. Fourth on our list today is the consumer discretionary sector, with companies like Nike, Home Depot, McDonald's, even Disney, that they rely on the consumer, me, you, everyone, to spend money on products and services that are not quite essential for us on a day-to-day basis. This sector tends to go up and down with the economy. So if the economy is strong, they tend to do well. If the economy is weak, this sector tends to go down. Now, with that being said, these companies are, or better said, can be a good investment for the future, especially something like Disney with their streaming services, and companies like McDonald's and Home Depot are really strong and reliable companies. And now let's move forward to our next sector, the consumer staples. Basically, companies in this sector produce essential goods and products that are being used on a day-to-day basis all over the world by the majority of the world's population. Companies like Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Kimberly-Clark, the Clorox company, Colgate-Palmolive, Unilever, and many others. They are old, reliable companies that have been around for a long time because they operate in a solid, stable sector and their products are always in demand. In my opinion, you can definitely find a lot of reliable companies in this sector, dividend-paying companies as well, that you can add to your watch list and then after you do your research to the portfolio. Before I end the video today, guys, just a quick reminder that part 2 of this video will be coming out next week with the next 6 sectors of the economy and a few companies from each sector just to help you guys out. And guys, if you like the video, if you find it useful in any way, drop me a like, a comment down below, and stay safe, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.